Using the slope formula from problem number 3, find the slope of each of the following lines. So whenever you're asked for slope or rate of change, you always want to remember your formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, we'll call one of them, doesn't matter which, x1, y1, and one of them x2, y2. So when we need to subtract y2 minus y1 on top, we're doing 0 minus 2. And when we need to subtract x2 minus x1 on the bottom, we're doing 8 minus 0. We get negative 2 over 8, which we could reduce to negative 1 over 4, right? Divide top and bottom by 2. Okay, take a look at the second one. We call one of the points x1, y1, and one of the points x2, y2. Using our slope formula, y2 minus y1 on top of the fraction, and x2 minus x1, 3 minus 4, on the bottom of the fraction. Now, it didn't matter which point we called x1, y1, and x2, y2. It does matter that we're consistent in the order in which we subtract. Okay, 7 minus 1 is 6. 3 minus 4 is negative 1, and we get a slope of negative 6 over 1, or we could just say negative 6. What do you notice about these slopes as compared to those in the previous problem? So you're going to see that these slopes both turned out to be negative. And you might notice something about the way these lines slope as opposed to lines from the previous problems. You remember that you always judge the slope of a line moving from left to right. If a line goes up or rises from left to right, its slope will be positive. But if a line falls from left to right, like these do, right, from left to right they go down, the slope will be negative.